You.
No
Look, can I teach you a magic trick?
You're so
Follow me. You dude, this is a Pepsi bottle. This Pepsi bottle, it gives you HP. Here, do you want me to show you how to drink it? Yes, yeah. Here, come on the sofa, yeah. Look, so you just gotta go.
Damn, bro.
You ugly! You said,
Bro, you shook it off. You should not. No. Look, this is how you need to drink it safe, bro. It's an exclusive one. Look,
what's your name?
look, you gotta drink. You gotta drink it like this, bro. Yo, come here. You gotta drink it like this, not this. Yo, bro.
I'll give you one lollipop.
Achoo!